All right, so uh let's start with what we have from the dollar itself. So from my end, I can see that the dollar is still bearish, right? So we are still bearish on the dollar, and that's what making us bullish. Sorry, let me reshare my screen. So the dollar, the dollar has been what? It's currently still bearish. So we are still currently bearish on the dollar. Since I've mentioned that we have taken what? We have taken, since we took liquid. You see, guy, this thing is very, very important. All this liquidity taking, if you understand the concept, you will become a profitable trader. I tell you, the day we took liquidity from here, I told you that we may likely see a pullback. Why? Because price has taken liquidity above a major swing high, right? A major swing high. Well, we took liquidity above a major swing high. So which is external liquidity. So that is external liquidity for us. So having taken that, then the price will seek for what? Internal liquidity. So I'm still bearish, and now we are trading close below monthly open, weekly open. So I'm still looking at dollar trading to this zone or trading to this zone. So, and that is giving me more bearish on dollar. And the reason why I'm looking at this zone because there's a trend line, this trend line here, this trend line here. So this trend line is stand as liquidity for price. It's a liquidity for price. So, and there's a demand. So whether we have price, go to this place, then we have price, go back, or come and liquidate the liquidity here, tap into this uh, monthly trend line or this what's it called? This 3 month open before we see dollar bullish again. So for that, I still favor more bearish on dollar, right? I still favor bearish on dollar. So we drop to 4 hours. So looking at 4 hours, so that zone, so we look at 4 hours now. You can see though the price is bullish, but there's a need for this correction. So internally, we can see we are breaking structure internally on 4 hours. So this zone is a demand zone, but I will not be quickly to buy dollar from this zone because of this trend and liquidity. So I want to see a liquidations around there. So if that's why, if dollar is what? If dollar is bullish, then what should we be doing in on currency? And that's why we are what? We are bullish. We have been calling on bullish on Euro, GU, and others. I'll be bullish on this guy. So my projection for, you can see, once I map my chart and I look at where I'm going, the chart will be there. So looking at Euro USD, so internally on 4 hours. So I'm still looking at price coming to this zone. I have spot out a liquidity above this high. Then here we have a what? Here we have a clear break of structure for us, right? Price break, take our liquidity. You know when price was here, when I was selling, I said this place is a target for me, which is liquidity taking. And that was, I start selling here and I was targeting this low and even price surpass it. But now we have price now giving us a clear break of structure. So we have a clear break of structure. Where's our swing high? So here become what? This high become, so this high is now what? Our swing high. while we have this low as our swing low. So structurally on 4 hours, we are trading between this high uh and this low. So now if we are trading between this and this low, you can see all this push. I think I started buying from around here. I did not buy here, I started buying around here. So uh, now when I am buying, my focus, overall focus, is that this guy is bearish. So I am caution. I know what make me to buy, and I know where I am buying to. So if you look at this, so we have price is currently sitting at premium. So which means any movement from this place, if sell happen, is good. Now, the reason why I don't want to cause sell is that because of this liquidity here. Now, that place, there's a liquidity, and this place liquidity, we can say we have this high, they come back, create this inducement, then they break down. So I can see this place as an inducement. Likewise, the way this place was inducement to target this low. So I'm looking at if price rise, sorry, if price can come, liquidate this place, there's this supply zone that we can look for continue selling our Euro USD. So for Euro USD, it may still have room to go. And now there's another major concern for me. You see now, if you look at this major concern that I am concerned here, is that we have breached this trend line. So we have breached the trend line. Daily has breached that trend line for a bullish continuation. So if we breach the trend line like this, then that is a cause for a very thing. Now, the reason why I am big caution of bearish is because daily structure, you can see this is where we break. This is the last high we create. Overall structure is still bullish on daily. We break structure here, right? We create this high. You can see that price only came to this a supply zone, a demand zone. Sorry. So this is our daily low here. Construct this mouse. So that's our daily low. So if you look at this swing low to that swing high, remember that we came to discount and price start buying. So price start buying, but now you can see that how we successfully break out from this trend line. So violating this trend line could cause a more push, could cause a bullish movement for. So we don't want to assume. So, and like I've said, before this guy will totally bullish, we need price to do what? We need price to break out from this 3 months, this high. So once we break out from that high, from this 3 months, then here then we can look for what? Opportunity to buy. So for now, we are playing along both the buy and the sell. Internally, we have been breaking structure. Overall structure, we are still bullish, but internally, we have been selling. So that is why selling from that 4 hours high and supply zone will not be a bad thing at all. So looking at to sell from that zone. So that is a Euro USD. Now, GU, I got into a position of GU this morning around here. So, and I want to see GU going up. GU still have more potential to push up for me. Now, GU, we are bearish, which we know. Structurally, from daily to 4 hours, everything is what we are bearish. So now, this was our last break of structure. to the top. Then price break structure came up from this low, then from this side. Now, so here is our shifting market structure. So which are daily? So if we have this place, our daily high, then here's our daily low. So here become our daily high, our daily low. So this is swing high, you are giving us the swing low, a lower low. So that is bearish. But there's a room for price to what? To buy to at least premium before we can sell. So that is why I'm looking. We have been calling for buy, all this where this buy. So I'll be looking at this 3-month open supply zone for a sell opportunity. So trading to this zone will be very looking at to trade to that zone on a GBP USD. So use this place as to engineer liquidity. So use this place as a liquidity for price. So use that place as liquidity. So it means that we have opportunity to what? To push up. So yesterday, come back to daily. Yesterday, we closed very nice bullish candle. So, and now we have traded low, which form like a Judas swing. So we can see bullish price and retest. So I've gotten a position for a buy. So let's see if the buy we continue. So we can see here we kind of break structural from 4 hours. Even yesterday we kind of have what? A break of structure from here also. So 4 hours is telling us bullish. So we just stay with that 4 hours. Price break structure came back to demand, and now we are pushing up. So if for those of us that are here, I think this is still good to buy. If you want to buy now, stand by. So we'll be having 85, we'll be having 80 pip stop loss. Please then you can target this 2 to 1, 2 to 5. So buying like this is still good, but always factor risk. So if you want to buy GU now, I'm already in. So this place, you can do it an instant buy. Then your stop loss will be 1.330789. So, but understand that the stop loss is quite wide, 80 pips. So factor if you are using 0.01, you are putting about $8 on the table for a risk. So I think you factor all those before you make a decision of taking that trade. So that is GU for me. That is GU. That's GU for me. So I love the way price bounce from this monthly opening. Now, once price close above daily open today, then we go they fly. We go they fly. So let's check the economic calendar if there are news that we need to take caution for. Let's see, Forest Factory. Forest Factory. There's news. So there's no news today. Today's 10 now. Today's 14. So today's free day, no news. No news. Till next week, Monday, card. So market may be likely a little bit slow, but there's no news like that. So that is GU. That's GU. Now gold. Gold did awesomely. Now, gold has break out from this resistance zone also. Now it's retesting it. For me, I've seen this guy. This guy is very, very difficult to predict. Once it break out, you just be running. So just be running. So let's see. I would love gold. Gold is coming here because silver already reached here. Two of them work almost the same. So I love gold. If it can go, can come back, then that would be a very good place for me to buy long time. Although we have been calling gold for buy and people have been making money. We just use small time frame. But today, I don't want to call it because I mean this guy may likely make a good pullback before the continuations. So they have engineered, I can see that they have engineered liquidity here. So they are engineering liquidity here. They have engineered liquidity here. So this place is demand. Two things can happen. They can push price to this demand there, then they move price up. Or take out liquidity here, or take out that liquidity before they refer price. So for now, just fold your hand and let's watch what God will do. So don't press any, because if you buy now, this guy may just come down, come and take this liquidity before taking up. So this is not time you want to press buy for good for now. No? So that is going in shortly. Oh, okay, let's see silver. You can see that's the reason why I tell you that gold will also come to that swing guy. So silver now, so when price take out major liquidity, there will be a kind of reversal. So silver take out that liquidity. So pullback is expected for silver, maybe to this zone that price breakout from. Then when silver come back here, notice breakout is forming head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. It has not retested the tense line, the neckline. So I would love silver can come back. And if silver is bearish, gold will likely make that pullback. So I would like you to see silver coming to this zone. There will be a very good zone to buy. Then you come and target this high back. So this was silver. That was a nice rise on silver. That was a nice bullish trend on silver. All right. So NZUSD, I'm still inside this trade. I say I've been in this trade for that's almost 3 or 4 days now. It's doing well, but the kind of momentum, I still need a momentum. This guy, I'm still looking at this guy coming to that place. I'm not still selling here. I'm still seeing this guy at least coming to this month, maybe this monthly. Oh, can sell from there. But that I will have take my profits. So NZUSD, nice, nice bearish on NZUSD. You can see we are breaking structure. The more we break structure, the more price this thing. So the more we break structure, the more so sell is more of sell, but what I'm doing here is just counter trade, taking some money along to where I want to sell from. So counter trade, you can trade with wisdom. So I'm still holding my position. This guy give me good money at it to this place. Then from here, we shall be looking for what? A sell opportunity on NZD USD. AUD USD have done massively well. This is you can see when I was saying this is the area I was looking at. This guy will likely sell from. I told you that this guy will come and liquidate this high. So now to continue sell, I need this guy to what? To liquidate this low here. So I need this guy to liquidate this low. If you liquidate this low, so here will become a supply. Then we can look for a sell. So, or otherwise, they can fire back up here. So I will not be hurried to take trade on that. Don't like the setup. Card. I wanted to buy card there because of this imbalance. Card is not coming my way. Let me delete it. So I'm watching card. I don't love what I don't. This monthly opening is bouncing it. It take liquidity above this low. You can see liquidity taking and the reverse. So if they come back and close above this weekly open, then that would be opportunity to continue buying card, USD card. Maybe they come back here, then like this, they can come back. But I would have loved price to come to this zone, this all demand zone here, this zone. That's my favorite zone that I would have loved to do what? To buy cards from that USD card. So that zone is not bad. It's why this 3 month open. That is zone I love. I would love to buy card from. So I'll put the eyes on it. USD shelf. This guy, I know that this guy will sell off. I think I took profit around there. Where do I took profit from? Sometimes when trade, when you took profit, you become I wish I know about leave it. Oh, I think I took profit around this demand here. We'll see what it has done, but it's okay. So going forward on the USD shelf, we need a proper. Now price has violated this low. So now for us, though we break structure, right? And we are this low. So that low will be an impact for us. So I will be looking at when we have a bullish back above this 3 month open. If I say a bullish candle back, here will become a support there. So we can look for a buy. So that is it. That is it, guy. No jump into trade much prematurely. We want to see evidence. So for now, price has come to take liquidity here. So we may likely going back. Or we come back, come and take this liquidity. So for now, we'll pause. There's nothing we can do on this. So lastly, for major currency, then I'll talk on BTC. No, this guy, just leave this guy alone. Don't like the market, don't like the movement of USD JPY. So let's look at BTC. BTC is bearish. I told people, I said, this guy, I'm not interested in buying BTC. BTC, if we don't take care, we may set in the end of this year. Yes. You can see weekly fail. See weekly fail to close above all-time high. Then that is a problem. So here we have what? A weekly low. So here we have, okay, don't need. So we have a weekly swing high, swing low. Here we call it weekly swing high. So what will price do? Once price fail, take liquidity above weekly, it will look for internally. So price now is coming to a premium. So if you don't mind, if you don't BTC may likely sell to 80,000 thereabout. And that will be maybe before the end of the year, before positioning. So for now, BTC, I'll just fold my hand. I don't want to sell it. I don't want to buy for now. So price is coming to this yearly opening. So let's see. We have a lot of demand zone here. So for now, BTC is bearish. It's better for you to look for a sell than to look for a buy. Anytime we break structure, you can see 4 hours, we are breaking structure, prime to premium and sell off. Then we just follow 4 hours frame. We are break another structure now. Another break of structure. So the price engineer back. What do? You say simple as A, B, C, D. Right. So let's look at Nasdaq. Okay. This guy is coming to where I love this. I love what I'm seeing on Nasdaq. So I was waiting for that pullback. I missed this movement here. So if I see a bullish candle around this zone, I'll be looking for a buy. So I need daily bullish candle to form around this zone. Then I'll be looking for it to buy it. So it's doing well. We pull back. is coming into that zone. So let's see anything bullish evidence around there. We can use to buy that we're going to buy it, right? So these are the um market direction for the major currency BTC and what do we call a Nasdaq as today mark Friday. So next week we'll look at how market close today will determine next week movement, right?